I'm going to read to you, My Truck is Stuck. The person who wrote and drew the book are Kevin Lewis and Daniel Kirk. Before we start, look at the picture. What do you see? There is a red truck. And who's that? That's a truck driver. If you look closely, it's supposed to be a dog. And look at that. That's a stuffed animal. It's a hippo. And what is behind the truck? Look closely. These are called bones. Okay. So this book is probably about this driver and the truck. Let's see what it's about. Dump truck coming down the road. Dump truck hauling a great big load. Round and round the wheels they go. Round and round into a hole. Oh no, the truck is approaching a hole. What's gonna happen? It's into a hole. Rotten luck, can't go, my truck is stuck. Gears grind, the engines roar, but the truck won't go, not 1 inch more. Help! Please help! Does anyone know how to make my stuck truck go? Beep, beep! Here comes a car full of travelers traveling far. Oh, that's what the horn sounds like when you honk it. Beep, beep! Run, luck! Can't go, my truck is stuck. Oh, the truck is stuck. Ooh, what's going on here with that green car? Tug and tow, 2 engines roar, but the truck won't go, not 1 inch more. Help, please help. Does anyone know how to make my stuck truck go? Beep, beep. Here comes a van driven by a moving man. Oh, there's a moving man driving his truck. Oh, they're movers. They help people move. Oh, rotten luck, can't go. My truck is stuck. Oh. Drag and draw, tug and tow, 3 engines roar, but the truck won't go. Oh no, the truck and the car, they're trying to pull the van, pull the truck, and it won't go. It's still stuck. Help, please help. Does anyone know how to make my stuck truck go? Beep, beep. Here comes a Jeep, up a hillside, very steep. Oh, it spells help. They're calling for help. Run, luck, can't go, my truck is stuck. Heft and haul, tug and tow, 4 engines roar. The truck still won't go. Oh no, the truck still won't go even with 3 vehicles. 1, 2, 3. Help, please help. Does anyone know how to make my stuck truck go? Beep, beep. Here comes a bus full of youngsters. What a fuss. Oh, look. The truck driver is calling for help. Help! Help! Rotten luck, can't go, my truck is stuck. Lug and lurch, tug and tow, 5 engines roar. The truck won't go. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 engines are on and running, and still the truck won't go. It's still stuck. Honk, honk. No need to panic. Here comes a tow truck with a mechanic. Mr. Mechanic, I'm sure you know how to make my stuck truck go. Sure, to move it on its way, just hook it up, and then you'll say, they look happy. What's going on? What luck! My truck's not stuck. Yay! Oh, the tow truck got the truck unstuck. That's why they're so happy. Vroom, vroom. Now car and van and jeep and bus all move on without a fuss. And the dump truck rolls on down the road on its way to deliver. Wait a minute. What is it going to deliver? A great big load. Oh no! The bones are no longer in the truck. Oh no! It can't deliver the load. It's on its way now. It's free to go. It's not stuck. But it doesn't have its load anymore. Look at these little beavers. It took the bones. The end. All right. Hope you liked the book.